Living in this part of the country, snow and ice are inevitable. It's just a standard fact of life. It is unavoidable and it will come every year. Every one of us is going to have to deal with the snow and ice. We just want you to be able to do it safely. The primary cause of snowblower injuries is trying to get the snow and ice unjammed when the snowblower gets clogged. And then the patient sees the clog, they may or may not turn off the snowblower, and then they reach in with their hand, unjam the clog, and it spins and injures their hand.
What people forget is when they look at the snowblower, they think the auger in the front is the main mechanism of the snowblower, but it's not. There's a concept where all snowblowers are built that are called a two-stage. And the second stage is a second motor up on the top where the chute goes out. And that spins traditionally about 10 times faster than the auger in the front. And where people get into trouble is they shut it off, they think that it's safe now to put their hand in the chute because that's where it gets clogged. And then inevitably, the sharp blades that are the impeller or the fan blades that shoot the snow out are what cause all the injuries.
The best ways to prevent injury with a snowblower are simply to not put your hand in the snowblower, which sounds very obvious, and it sounds like, why would you ever do that? Inevitably, snow and ice is going to clog up the snowblower, the blade is going to get jammed, but the simplest way to clear that is with a stick. Okay? You can use this or even just a simple tree branch, and just anything except for your hand, because when that blade starts to spin, you don't want your hand anywhere near it.
Where we see most of the injuries are older snowblowers. They tend to be older people running them because it's that same machine that they've trusted for decades, and then that one momentary slip where it's plugged and you're trying to unplug it is where the injuries occur.
At Summit Orthopedics, we're happy to see anybody for any injury at any time. But this is one of those injuries we'd much rather prefer you not get injured at all.